Here's how to do a bit of easy maintenance on any of the Adventure King solar blankets to ensure they always charge your battery optimally. Adventure King solar blankets are essentially maintenance free. The only thing you'll need to do every now and then is give them a bit of a wipe over with some water mixed with a couple of drops of mild dishwashing liquid. Never use harsh chemicals or flammable liquids, as this can damage your solar blanket. This cleans the dust off that accumulates on the solar cells when the blanket is being used, particularly at busy campsites. And when you've got all the dirt off, just give it a final wipe with some clean water. If you live near the sea or do a lot of coastal camping, the terminals inside the quick connect fittings may build up a little corrosion over time. If that's the case, use 2 small flat-bladed screwdrivers to remove the cabling from the plastic housing. Ensure the solar panel is not in the sun so it doesn't produce power while you work on it. Push down on the retaining tang with 1 screwdriver and use the other to wiggle the terminal free. Repeat for the positive and negative terminals on all connectors. Don't pull on the cabling, as this can cause it to dislodge from the terminal. Using steel wool or a scouring pad and a bit of penetrating spray, clean off the corrosion until the terminals are shiny. Refit them, taking note of the red cabling going to the side of the plastic housing with the plus or positive sign, and the black or blue cable going to the side with the minus or negative sign. Use a flat blade screwdriver to push the fittings into place and ensure they sit centered within each side of the housing. Finally, give the cabling a wipe over and check for any nicks or cuts, repair if necessary, and your Adventure King solar blanket is ready for more faithful service.